Okay, here is the answer to today's warm-up. So the highlighted words, you have to determine the part of speech. So feudalism is a thing. It's a type of government like democracy or socialism or something. And so this is a noun. It's the subject of the sentence. All subjects are nouns or pronouns. On is a preposition. It fits in our cat can walk sentence. The cat can walk on the box. So this is a preposition. So feudalism here is the noun. It is the subject of this verb right here. It is the thing that replaced. Subjects do or complete the action of the verb. So here is our verb. And then Beowulf here is underlined because it's the title of a book, or it's actually an epic poem, but it's a long poem, so it's underlined. Short poems have quotations around them. Anyway, the title of a poem is a thing, so this is a noun. So our task here is to identify the subject and the DO. Well, I kind of already told you the subject. Feudalism here is the subject. And then we have to find the direct object. The direct object answers who or what after the verb. So if I ask the question who or what after this verb, we should have it. Feudalism, a social system based on loyalty and land tenure, replaced what or who? Well, it replaced the social structure. This is our direct object. Number 2. The word medieval, in this case, describes the noun society. Medieval answers one of the adjectival question, what kind? What kind of society? A medieval society. So this is an adjective. And then here we have the word always. The word always answers an adverbial question. It answers to what extent. And it answers that about the word subservient. To what extent was a woman subservient? And the answer is always. So this is answering one of the adverbial questions. This is an adverb. Okay, so now we end up with the word whether. The word whether here starts this clause. We have she was married or not. The word whether coordinates this sentence here, or subordinates she was married or not. So this is a conjunction. Finally, we have this last part where we have to look at subject, verb, and predicate adjective. So the verb here we have was, and we also have this verb down here, another was. And the subject of this was is a woman. You have to kind of ignore this prepositional phrase right here. The prepositional phrase can never be a part of sentence. So a woman here is our subject. And then we have to find the verb was. We have another subject here. And then we have a predicate adjective. The predicate adjective comes after this linking verb, was. And it's right here, subservient. This is the adjective describing the subject and the predicate after the linking verb. I know that subservient is a predicate adjective because it follows this linking verb, and I know that was is a linking verb because I can replace it with an equal sign. Woman in medieval society equals always subservient to a man. So this is a linking verb, which means that after it will be a predicate adjective or a predicate nominative. So before I move on, I want to clarify one slight mistake that I made. Whether is a conjunction, but it's not. I called it a subordinating conjunction. It's actually not. It is a correlative conjunction, which is a conjunction pair, and the other conjunction pair is the word or here. So whether or are correlative conjunctions, not subordinating conjunctions.